How to change Shopify themes without losing content. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit Shopify themes without deleting any data. First of all, open your web browser. Type and search shopify.com and open your Shopify store. Tap on Login at the top right corner. Click on the Online Store at the left column of the page. Go to Themes and scroll down and try out new themes or test changes to your current themes. Click the Add button to select a theme. These themes are only visible to you, or you can also switch to another theme. You have successfully added a new theme. This will replace your current theme. Click on Publish. That's how you can change Shopify themes without losing content. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.